So there's more news which is now coming in, and this has got to do, which is a shocker, which is coming in from Maharashtra. In fact, a 10-month-old toddler was flung out of a taxi and passes away. The mother claims that she was molested by the driver and co-passengers. Woman too was pushed out of the vehicle and sustained serious injuries, said a police official. Shocking incident has happened in a Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway in the Palghar district of Maharashtra. Vinaya Deshpande is getting us all those details in a bit, but this is absolutely a shocking incident. Questions are now being asked is that what kind of security was there? This incident happened on the Palghar district, in Palghar district of Maharashtra, on the Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway. The incident was that a woman says that she was molested by the driver and the co-passengers, and in that her 10-month-old baby girl was thrown out of the taxi, as a result of which the baby girl died. She too was pushed out of the vehicle and has now sustained serious injuries. All these details being given by the police officials. We're going to get some more details in a bit from Vinaya Deshpande, but you can see those pictures up on your screen. In fact, Mihir is now joining us. Yes, Mihir.
Absolutely. So this incident took place in Maharashtra, and from what we understand and what sources at the police are telling us in this preliminary investigation is that this lady was traveling and she took a shared kind of a ride, and where she felt uncomfortable and unsafe at some point, and she had a 10-year-old daughter with her, and what she claims is that at this point that there were certain people inside that vehicle who were trying to misbehave with her, and then she was, in a sense, there was an attempt at molestation, because of which she had to really jump off the running car. But also her allegation is that those people, to overpower her or to threaten her, they also threw the kid outside, and that has kind of, in a sense, caused this uproar with the details coming out in this case. At this point, police is trying to investigate, trying to arrest those people who were in that particular car available, and do the needful as far as the investigation is concerned. Another theory that is coming to light at this point is that this lady who has given her statement to the police is constantly changing her statement. So police needs to really verify, the truth in this matter before taking any action.
All right. Any leads has the police been able to get yet? I mean, was there CCTV footage around, for example, because after all, it was on a highway?
That's what the police is investigating, that they are trying to ascertain if they can get their hands on some sort of CCTV footage or something that could, in a sense, corroborate all the claims made by this woman, and then take necessary action in this particular case. So at this point, what sources do tell us that police has, started investigating this matter, and they are not ruling out any possibility, but there is also a possibility that there could be an element of doubt in the version of truth given by the lady. That is also something the police is ascertaining. Once that is clear, then they will take necessary steps in order to nab those who are still absconding and take necessary action if this is an incident of molestation.
Okay. Mihir, I'm sorry to cut you through. We also have Abha Singh, who's now joining us. Abha, this is something which keeps on happening, unfortunately, again and again. Public transport, you talk about cabs should be safe. Do you think at one point of time these kind of incidents happen because the ones who do it are emboldened because there's a delay in justice being delivered, or a delay in finding out who the accused is?
Absolutely. In fact, I was listening to the reporter, and when he says she's changing her statement and the narrative, but my issue is a heinous crime has happened. A little child was thrown out. He died in Palghar, and the woman says she was molested. So police has to take statement verbatim. When that investigation happens, FIR has to be taken. The accused have to be arrested because there's a child who's lost his life. The courts have come down heavily saying that when molested, we have to first take a complaint, and that is what the CRPC also says.
Okay. We also have Mr. Majid Memon who's now joining us. What would you want to say? Do you think that there is some lacuna as far as providing security arrangements or a delay in delivering of justice?
Palghar has been in the news for deteriorating law and order situation, and we have been hearing that there are crimes which are taking place without fear of law, and it seems that there is no rule of law in that area at all. I think the SP or the police chief of that area is accountable to such serious crimes that are taking place with regular intervals. And in the matter of this crime, the investigating agency must be on their toes to see that the evidence is not lost and the culprit is brought to books, and investigation would ensure that they reach the bottom of truth with regard to commission of this crime. And the state government under Shinde's rule must be accountable for these kinds of offences and the people losing faith in the legal system and fearlessly committing serious crimes with such frequency.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Memon. Thank you, Mihir, and thank you very much, Abba Singh. We're going to